Uh, a very good evening, guys. Welcome to Defense Josh. Please join our session as soon as possible because we were discussing a very important topic called SRT, Situation and Reaction Test. We have discussion at this topic from last 4 to 5 classes. So I want you guys to please join as soon as possible so we can continue our journey of SSB preparation. So please, I want you all guys to join us as soon as possible and please guys share it to your friends as well as your near and dear ones so they can also get benefit, and you can also share it to your in your groups where you are the member, so you can start watch party over there so most of your friends join our session so they can we can it's very like you can say a fruitful discussion where we can discuss lots of SRT and we can got lots of opinion from lots of people, so we can easily like figure out like अगर आप देखो गलत कोई लिखता है ना, like if he is giving a wrong response, so इससे ये पता चलता है कि जब मैं उसको करेक्ट करूँगा तो आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि ये रिस्पॉन्स नहीं लिखना है. ओके, सो पार्टिसिपेशन इन नंबर हेल्प अ लॉट. ओके, जब नंबर में पार्टिसिपेशन होता है तो समवन गिव lots of different kind of point of view will come, and what I will do, I will discuss every one point of view one by one, and then you can get like कि you will easily get like ऐसा नहीं लिखना था. Okay, like someone write different kind of thought process which is like I thought is not positive or in my point of view like what SSB is wanting, so उसमें हम उसको करेक्ट कर देंगे. ओके, देन उससे क्या होगा कि आपको जो ये नहीं लिख करना है ये पता चल जाएगा. ओके, तो क्या करना है ये तो सबको पता है, बट क्या नहीं करना है ये पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, इसलिए प्लीज़ join a session as soon as possible, and please like, share and to various groups and various friends so they can also join and they can also give their opinion. Okay, comment session is open for all of you and you can comment in comment section, and please guys confirm me that is my voice is audible to all of you or not so I can proceed my discussion. I think all of you are watching. It's good to see you all here. So very good evening to all of you. I am very glad that to see you all. Good evening, Bikash, and I think today is your birthday, so very happy birthday to you. Okay. Hi Prajwal and hi Rahul. I think you all guys join us. It seems very good. No, it's motivate me. It motivate me like you guys are coming at same time regularly. It's a very motivating kind of thing, which occur to me. Like if you are continuously join our session, so it makes me very happy. Okay, and I'm also thinking, guys. Please guys give your suggestion in comment box that I'm also thinking like is okay, I have to like on my Wi-Fi connect, so please wait. Okay. Sorry guys, I have to on my Wi-Fi connection because so no quality of video will be good and it will be very visible to all of you and it will be very clear and crystal clear to all of you. So our session is going to be very smooth and positive. So guys, I want to discuss you guys that I want your suggestion that I am going to start a current affairs session for you guys for your all type of examination like NDA, CDS, and it's one liner current affairs. Okay, so I will discuss a lot at around that one liner current affairs. So you guys also get benefited from that. Okay, so please give in a comment box that whether you want good evening Abhishek, Jai Hind, Shubham, Jai Hind to all of you. Please guys comment in a comment box whether you want to me to discuss this thing, because if you guys want like I feel like it's very helpful for you guys in your upcoming examination, because current affairs questions are always there in your general awareness awareness wala part, like second paper, okay, in which you have to write English paper as well as good evening Haren, English paper as well as general studies paper, like GK paper, in which there is a science, okay, physics, chemistry, biology and all, and there is a some GK, and GK part, traditional GK part you are covering from our Telegram channel. Those who don't join, who is not in our Telegram channel, guys, please join our Telegram channel, because I'm saying, because I used to conduct poll, okay, that are the questions of previous year. So that poll is going to help you a lot, no, strengthening your GS part, because you guys having all most of you having mathematic background, so what happened sometimes, mathematics guy don't know like more about general studies, okay. So what you guys do, most of you, that you don't have good command at general studies paper, so you don't able, you can't able to like make all the questions correct in that paper, okay. So what you can do, like you can participate in our poll, you can strengthen your, okay, you can strengthen your general awareness from there, okay, and you can improve your general awareness as well as from my banners as well. Thank you Rahul for starting watch party in different group, and I want you all guys, whoever can, who want to want to support me, who want to like contribute me something for me, so he can like share it to different groups, and as well as he can like start watch party over there, so all of your friends can join us, and it will be very good, it will be very good discussion over here when most of the opinion came in front of us. So we can figure out like which opinion is good, which opinion is bad, what you have to do, what you don't have to do, okay. So thank you Prajwal, as well as good evening Rohan, it's good to see you here, because we had chat that you will try to join our session, and it's very happy moment for me, like see you here, okay. So guys, please, I want to like repeat my question. There is a thinking going on in my mind, okay. There is thinking going on in my mind that I want to start some current affairs kind of things for you guys, okay. Please guys, tell me the time, and whether you all guys will join the session. Please confirm in a comment box so I can start, okay. It's not the matter of no, there is no problem from my side, so I am ready for that. I have a collection of current affair question of one liners. I will discuss elaborately, okay. But there is a problem that I don't have like right now the laptops with me, so there is a problem that I cannot share my screen, okay. So and if I have to like discuss it at our Facebook page, it will be very problem, okay, problematic for me. So I can discuss in a like I have to read it, and you have to write all those things, and you don't have to write as well. You can like you can watch the video again and again, you can get all the point. But you know what, I want you guys to suggest me whether I should do this thing or not, and please comment in a comment box that you want discussion of general studies GK. Yes Shubham, Yes, we are going to discuss. And but first me clarify that from you guys. If you all guys getting my point, what I'm trying to say, so please confirm me whether you guys want GK general studies discussion at some time at around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in evening. So if you want, then we can start. Okay, which time is okay for you all guys? Yes, Haren. Okay, okay, guys. Let us discuss first SRT. Then we will figure it out that no when we because I want to know all of from all of you that whether you guys want discussion from for GK general studies, for current affairs, one liner current affair. If you guys are interested, so please comment yes in a comment box, so we can proceed our SRT discussion from here, and we will finalize what is the time when we come, and we will send notification to all of you, no, and you can join our session. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Yes, thank you, Rahul, for confirming. I want all of you guys to confirm me, so I can proceed. I can proceed to discuss SRTs. Thank you, Prajwal, for confirming. So you all guys are interested to, for general studies, current affairs. Okay, session. Okay, it's good. It's good. I am trying, and I will definitely brings. Yes, it will be very beneficial for all you guys, because you can face the question of current affairs in your interview as well. Can it be at evening itself by 7 or 8? Okay, I will try. Yes, Shubham, 3 o'clock. Prajwal has given 3 o'clock, and Diva Divas have gave time around 7 or 8. So uh, let us make I will conduct a poll, so guys please join our Telegram channel. I will give the links of my Telegram and all channels in a comment box of this session. So after the session will be end, you can visit that channel and join our channel. So it will be very helpful for you guys, and I will share the PDF as well over there after discussion. Okay guys, okay, thank you, and let us start our discussion. You know, we were discussing SRTs. Okay, in last session we were discussed till I think he was going okay, yeah, I was discussed till he was weak in studies and he knew that he could not do well in his education, so what he will do. So I want to repeat the question again, that he was weak in studies and knew that he could not do well in his education, so what he will do, so guys please like, share and comment in a comment box, so I can get your opinion as soon as possible, so we can have a very fruitful. Yes, it was over. So is it clear to all of you? So there is no doubt to you guys in this SRT, so I can proceed for next. Okay, thank you. Okay, let us discuss another one. He was going for SSB. He was going for the SSB, and on the way he saw a person seriously injured and nobody was there to help him. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the question again, and you guys should be very careful while listening the question. Okay, because it's very important to read the question very carefully. Okay, over there also. So he was going for the SSB, and he was going for the SSB, and on the way he saw a person seriously injured. Okay, and nobody was there to help him. So what you will do? Like, suppose you are going for SSB and you saw a person who is seriously injured, okay, and no one is helping him, okay, no one is going to help him. So what you will do, what will be, it's a very simple kind of SRT. It will be very easy for you to respond quickly, okay. So please guys, be quick in response in a comment box, so I can give my opinion how you should attempt this kind of SRT very easily. He will call ambulance, if not then carry him and give attempt in next time. Rahul, you have written a wonderful sentence in the first two line, okay. He will call ambulance, if not then carry him. You should not having any doubt, okay. That's why I'm saying please give your response. I'm saying you should not having any doubt, like if not. So you should be positive from in your response that he will call ambulance, admit him in hospital, and inform the authorities, okay, inform the authorities, and return back, attend the SSB, okay. So you can write like this. Question, Prajwal, you don't get the question. Okay, okay, I am going to repeat. So Rahul, did you got my point? So please, okay, I am going to repeat the question because Prajwal has asked me that he is not getting the question. He was going for the SSB, okay, and on the way he saw a person seriously injured and nobody was there to help him. Okay, I think you all guys didn't get the question well. Okay, so I am going to repeat it again, okay. First of all, we will give him first aid, then call the ambulance, okay. It's till now it is good. So we have to follow up all the procedure. I will help the person and safely admit hospital, then go for interview, told the situation. Interview. Okay. Hareen, you have written a very wonderful sentence till interview. Join, then go for interview. But told the situation for interview office. Told the situation to interview. Okay, you are saying like you will inform them. Okay, you will inform them earlier. Like no, maybe you can be late. Okay, it's good, but try to write like I will call the ambulance. Okay, I will call the ambulance, admit him in hospital, inform the authorities as well as his family, and return back for join the interview. Simple, okay. He immediately went near injured man, gave him like Diva Singh. Please, I would say, please try to write in small sentences. Like immediately went near the injured man. If you don't write like this, you will call the ambulance, एडमिट हिम इन हॉस्पिटल, बिकॉज एम्बुलेंस बुला लिया, अब उसके बाद एम्बुलेंस में उसको मतलब उसको रखेगा, फिर उसके बाद एम्बुलेंस के साथ जाएगा, ऐसा इतना एक्सप्लेन करके नहीं लिखना है वहाँ, क्योंकि यू डोंट हैव टू बी वेरी मच टाइम, ओके. वहाँ पे आपको इतना टाइम नहीं होगा कि आप इतना एक्सप्लेन करके लिख पाओ, ओके. सो आपको थोड़ा सा क्विक लिखना है, छोटा सा कीवर्ड्स यूज करने हैं, ओके. कीवर्ड्स यूज करके आपको उसको करना है, ठीक है. सो ही इमीडिएटली call the ambulance, admit him in hospital, okay. लाइक जो करना है मेन वर्क को आप वर्ड यूज करो, कीवर्ड्स यूज करो केवल. एडमिट हिम, लेट हिम admitted to hospital, inform the authorities as well as his family, inform the authority and family member, and return back to join the interview, okay. I think you guys get my point. I'm not getting, okay, Prajwal have given the good answer. I will admit him to hospital and call relations and explain interviewed about this, okay. If you like, there is no mentioning, please guys understand the question, because question saying that there is no mentioning that you are getting late for SSB. यहाँ पे ये मेंशन नहीं है कि you are getting late for SSB, okay. So you should assume like you easily attend the session. You don't have to inform like interviewer that I have to go and no all, because if it is mentioned here that अगर यहाँ पे ये mention होता like you are getting late for SSB, what you will do? Then you can inform the interviewer that you can inform the SSB authorities that due to this kind of situation I am stuck in that situation, so I will be late, so please arrange a thing for me. Okay, please arrange the interview for me. Okay, सो मतलब जब ये चीज़ लिखा होगा कि लाइक यू आर गेटिंग लेट, सब आप इनको इन्फॉर्म करना है. ओके, और ऐसे कर सकते हो कि कॉल द रिलेशन, कॉल द रिलेटिव, कॉल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स. लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग रिलेटिव, रिलेशंस और रिलेटिव, प्लीज कॉल फर्स्ट द फैमिली मेम्बर. ओके, इन्फॉर्म, लाइक आपको कुछ कीवर्ड्स नोट कर लेने हैं. ओके, what you guys should do, you have to like note down the keywords, authorities, family members, call the, inform the authorities and all. तो इस तरीके से कीवर्ड यूज करके आपको सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. ओके, सो उससे क्या होगा कि आप छोटे सेंटेंसेस में भी अपनी सारी बातें कह पाओगे. ओके, ऑल यू गाइज गेट माई पॉइंट वेल, प्लीज कन्फर्म मी. ओके 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 राहुल, थैंक यू फॉर कन्फर्मिंग. Okay, let us proceed for next SRT. Okay, your brother is facing charges for the murder which he really committed. Your brother is facing charges for the murder which he really committed. You. Okay, like your there is your brother. Okay, and he is facing charges of murder which he is really committed. He really committed. So what you will do? Like, what you will do? Please guys, give a response. Give your response very quickly in a comment box, so you know I can proceed the discussion. Charges of murder. Shubham, Rahul, I am going to repeat the question. It's the charges of murder committed by your brother. Like suppose your brother committed the murder which he really committed. So there is a charges of murder. So what you will do? You guys are getting my point well or not? Please confirm me, because you know, is my voice is clear to all of you? Guys, please be quick. Come on guys, please be quick in giving your response. I am waiting for your response, and so I can give my opinion at your response. We will practice quickly in upcoming sessions, so we can like we have to be work in a time bound manner. We have to practice it in a few seconds, in a 30 seconds, so we have to be very quick over there. So for that, what you have to do? I will inform the police, get him arrested. Yes, you have given good. Get him arrested as, and let the legal activities going on. Okay, let the legal, you can add like, I will inform the police and get him arrested, and I will let him to pay the penalty and convince him to a optimistic. Prajwal, I will say, I think you don't get the question. There is a charges of murder over here. So you cannot tell him to pay the penalty. Okay, you cannot convince him to be optimistic. I think you don't get the question well, because be optimistic is a like, I think you don't get the question properly. Please listen it carefully. And again, your brother is facing charges for murder, okay, which he really committed. What you will do? Okay, give him the handle. Yeah, it's a perfect response. Prajwal, please be quick. I'm waiting for your response. I can do nothing for him. You can do nothing for him. You you cannot do anything, but what will be your duty as a citizen? If you found someone from your family members is wrong, so you are a citizen as well, so what you will do? चार्जेस मीन्स कि किसी के ऊपर लाइक मर्डर का केस लगा हो, किसी के ऊपर मर्डर का आरोप लगा हो, आरोप. डिड यू गॉट द एग्जैक्ट हिंदी वर्ड? So not money, it's not money, it's a murder. Did you got my point? I think your network is weak over there, so you're not getting my point. Okay, your network is poor, so you are not getting the exact words from my side. Okay, so due to like this misunderstood, I standing, you're not getting the question properly, so it's okay. If you got the point, please be quick in comment box. I'm waiting for your response, as well as okay guys, I want to discuss you guys something like we were thinking like making a team for like SSB and current affairs things is handleable from me. I can handle it single-handedly because there is a mastery over this subject by me. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry about this, but I want you guys to know that whether you guys want like maths, English as well as physics complete course for NDA or not, because I am thinking like if I am providing the guidance for SSB, so I should also organize a classes for like for whole course class, so you guys all guys get benefit from this. I will hand over him to police and also give him bail and make him to be positive. You cannot give him the bail and you cannot tell him to be positive because like Prajwal, he is committed suicide, so law will act accordingly. So like you can write like I will hand it over to the police. I will hand over him to police and and uh, and allow law and not interfere in legal activities. Okay, not interfere in legal activities. Okay, you will not like you cannot support the person who really committed murder. It's a very criminal kind of offense, so you cannot like say him to be positive. He will have to face the charges, he will have to face the punishment, decided by as per our constitution, as per our law. Okay, okay, okay guys, so is there any doubt to all of you in this question? So I can proceed for next question. Is there any doubt to all of you? Is it clear to all of you guys? Please confirm me in a comment box so I can proceed. I can proceed for further discussion of SRT. Okay, you guys are getting my voice clear or not? Okay, Aaron, thank you for confirming, so I can proceed. Okay. Okay, he was crossing a flooded nala. Okay, he was crossing a flooded nala. Okay, nala means like a small river, a polluted river, in his boat and suddenly lost his control. Okay, yes sir, I may not be there. Yes, you cannot. For what, Prajwal? I may not be there. For what purpose? Please confirm me, because I'm not getting what you are trying to like say. I may not be there. Okay, you can. I'm not getting you. Okay, please confirm in the comment box. So I am going to confirm. I'm going to read next SRT for you guys. He was crossing a flooded nala in his boat and suddenly lost his control. Okay, for full course of, I know because you are in a class 10th, and you are doing well, so it's good for you, and please complete your academics. I am always there for you, don't worry. Any help from my side you needed, don't hesitate to ask me. I am always there for you guys. Any one of you, if you are there with me, so I am always there with you. Okay, don't worry about that. You need anything, you can ask me, whichever is possible for me. I am going to help you out. Okay, don't worry. Okay guys, I'm saying like let us discuss the SRT. Okay, he was traveling in he was crossing a flooded nala in his boat and suddenly lost his control. What he will do? Yes, Prajwal, I know the gazette is not allowed over here, over there. I will join, and you, yes, definitely, it's a good. You can join. You should join, and after your 10th, 11th, and 12th, you can join our session. And in your in between your summer and all vacations, you can join our session. So it's no matter of worry. Don't worry. Till then, I will try to complete all the thing for you till you are not going to your school. Okay, please attend all the classes and avail all the facilities. Okay, it is from my side. Okay, so guys, please give your response in a comment box. I am waiting for you guys to give your response. I think the question is clear to all of you. Is the question clear to all of you guys? Please give response. We'll try to get back control and pass the nala smoothly. Yes, Divya. Yes, Diva. You have given a very excellent, excellent response. He will try to get back the balance, get back the control, get back the. मतलब आप अगर डिसबैलेंस हुए तो आपको बैलेंस को अचीव करना है. ओके, यू विल बैलेंस द बोट एंड पास द नाला स्मूथली. No, let the boat smoothly cross the nala. Okay, I will reach the nearest river bank and call his brother and continue his journey back. I think Prajwal, your connection is not good today, and you are not getting exact questions, I think. Okay, so that's why you are not giving a good response. You are giving like different kind of response. Okay, he will reach the nearest river bank. Yes, you will reach the nearest river bank. So what you have to write like ना कि आप प्रोसेस क्या फॉलो करते हो, आप कर क्या रहे हो. कोई भी एक्टिविटी को आपको करने में जो आप बता रहे हो ना कि मैं ऐसे करूँगा, इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट योर क्वालिटी. ओके, इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टिंग योर क्वालिटी. लाइक कि मैं बैलेंस करूँगा, फिर मैं स्मूथली उसको थ्रू आउट कवर करूँगा, क्रॉस करूँगा. सो दिस इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग लाइक ना, this is reflecting your quality. What act you will do while doing that kind of job will reflect your what you can say, your quality will be come outside from your words. जो आप लिखते हो ना, उसी से आपकी क्वालिटी को जज किया जाता है. So like Diva has given a very excellent response that he will try to get back the control and pass the nala smoothly. Okay, that's it. I think it's all clear to all of you guys. I want you guys, all of you, to participate. Whether you are wrong or right, please participate in discussion. So it is very helpful for you guys. and I am always here. I am always here for correcting you all, amending you all, giving my point of view, giving, you know, all sorts of information. I will add all the information you needed. Okay, so guys, please participate. I will request all of you, I would request all of you that please participate in discussion, because then only I can help you ना. Like जब आप डॉक्टर को बताते हो ना प्रॉब्लम क्या है, फिर he can give you medication. So please give your my problem. Okay, I think it's all clear to all of you. I think I should proceed. Okay, next SRT is, he was traveling to his SSB center. Okay, he was traveling to his SSB center, and just before reaching the station he found that his suitcase is lost. Okay, so he was traveling to his SSB center. आप वो अपने SSB सेंटर की तरफ जा रहा था. Okay, and he found that his suitcase is lost. Okay, he found that his suitcase is lost. What he will do? Like, you have to reach the SSB center as well as you have to find out your suitcase. So what the act you will do, how you will react, what is your act first of all? So please give in a comment box what you will do. Yes guys, please participate, be quick. You will have 30 seconds over there, so you can take 1 minute over here, because you are the beginner, you are the first timer, so you can take 5 minutes, 1 minute over here. Then only if you practice, quick, because you have to think as well as you have to write over there. So please be fast. We will FIR the case, I think. Okay, he will file FIR, take application for it, and then reach the SSB center. Okay, Rahul, you can be optimistic, like he will go and buy the required material and attend the SSB. Yes, I will inform the RPF immediately, then proceed for SSB. Yes, okay, it's good. Okay, I would say it is lost. It is word lost. It is not there is a word, not the word stolen. चोरी हो गया ये word नहीं हुआ, lost हुआ है, खो गया है. Okay, so you can search it near and here and nearby, because in traveling by train, what you will find that sometimes your luggage get misplaced from some place. So what you can do, you can like I will search it around and get the get back the suitcase and proceed for SSB. Stay positive. Like एक छोटी सी क्लू होती है, आपको एक वो क्लू पकड़ना होता है वर्ड्स में कि लॉस्ट हुआ है. लॉस्ट मतलब खो जाना, तो खोने का मतलब मिसप्लेस भी हो सकता है. इफ इट इज स्टोलन, अगर आपका चोरी हो गया होता, इसका मतलब कि वो यू विल नॉट गेट. ओके, yes, you can file FIR for that, Rahul, you are right for that. But if your thinking is that कि आप अगर आपका कुछ भी सामान इधर उधर हो गया तो तुरंत FIR कराने से अच्छा है ना कि पहले अपने आसपास देख लो. Did you got my point, what I am trying to tell you? So you will search it around your seat. Maybe some, like in journey, there is a misplacement of your luggage. So it may be misplaced from one portion where you put it, and where it is now. So you will search it around if you got, and yes, Gaurav, it's nice to see you here. You will search it around and you will got the point, because you have to be optimistic. Okay, like I will got the suitcase. You all guys are like, जो बोला जा रहा है वही नहीं सोचना है, थोड़ा सा अपना सोचना है, लाइक कि नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, लाइक इट विल बी नॉट प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर मी, एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट नहीं करना है कि नहीं खो गया मैं जाके एफआईआर कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ वो अगर वहाँ बोला जाए कि नहीं आपकी चोरी हो चुकी है तो आपको एफआईआर कराना है. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग लाइक कि ऐसा करना ही नहीं है, बट if in a situation if you are not getting that negative words, that negative things in, that's why I'm here to practice you all. Okay, if you are not getting that negative words and things over here, so you can like, you will search it out and you will get it back and you can continue your journey for SSB, clear the SSB successfully. So कभी कभी क्या है कि प्रॉब्लम छोटी सी दिखती है, अब उसको बड़ा नहीं करना है, उस प्रॉब्लम को अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करना है. वी शुड अवॉइड द प्रॉब्लम. एक प्रॉब्लमेटिक सिचुएशन से दूर होने की कोशिश करो कि नहीं नहीं प्रॉब्लम हो गया एंड ऑल, एंड ऐसा नहीं करना है, कोशिश करना है कि वी शुड अवॉइड. ओके, सो गाइज थिंक इन दिस डायरेक्शन, लाइक अगर जब तक आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं दिखाया जा रहा है, बिल्कुल क्लियरली लिख नहीं दिया गया, जब तक प्रॉब्लम नहीं, तब तक हमको सोचना ही नहीं है नेगेटिव, बोलना ही नहीं है कि हम एफआईआर कराने ही नहीं गए, हमको प्रॉब्लम हुई ही नहीं, हम सही से, सब कुछ ओके है. बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, बी होपफुल, थिंक इन दैट डायरेक्शन. ओके, ट्राई टू थिंक, सो यू विल फाइंड लाइक एवरीथिंग विल बी कूल एंड ईजी फॉर दैट. लाइक सब प्रॉब्लम अगर जब क्रिएट होना शुरू हो जाएगा ना, तो फिर उस प्रॉब्लम से ही प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होना स्टार्ट होता है ना. क्या होता है कभी कभी हम एक बार नर्वस हो जाते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है हम नर्वस हो गए, फिर उसी नर्वसनेस की वजह से हम आगे भी नर्वस हो गए, हमारा परफॉर्मेंस आगे भी वर्स्ट हो गया. ओके, सो एक बार हम कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, हम एक बार पॉजिटिव हैं, तो उस पॉजिटिविटी की वजह से कई बार क्या होता है, कई बार आप मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन में नेगेटिव माइंडसेट से बैठ जाओ, थोड़ा सा आपका माइंड ऑफ हो, मूड ऑफ हो, आप मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन लगाने स्टार्ट कर दो, यू विल नॉट definitely you will not able to clear all the mathematics question. but अगर आप पॉजिटिव हो, एक पॉजिटिव थॉट चल रहा है आपके माइंड में, सो you will you can easily crack the hardest question at that same time. So what I'm trying to say that please be calm and please try to avoid the problems. okay, so अगर छोटा सा भी क्लू मिल जाता है ना कि प्रॉब्लम अवॉइड करने का मिल गया हमको क्लू, like it is lost, it was not stolen. okay, so you can search it around and you can get back it and you can join your SSB. okay, your SSB interview. okay, I think it's all clear to all of you guys. Please mention in a comment box that it is clear so I can proceed for next SRT. Please guys confirm it in a comment box so I can proceed for next SRT. yes, Pavitra Malik, yeah, Pavitra Malik is watching us. It's good to see you here. Be there, be at 8 p.m. sharp 8 p.m. daily for SSB discussion. Okay, I think Rahul has confirmed me. Thank you Rahul for confirming. Sorry guys, let us discuss more SRT. okay, okay, he was all set for SSB. He was all set for SSB, but unfortunately there was a sad demise of family members. okay, आज सारा SSB पे ही SRTs है. okay, so you guys have like, आपको भी ये फेस करना पड़ेगा, तो सारा SRT आज SSB पे है. so SSB के लिए आप जा रहे हो, आपके घर में किसी का सैड डिमाइस हो गया, like there is a like a happening at your home while you are moving for SSB interview. so what you guys will do? I want response from your side. It's very dilemma. It's a very dilemmatic kind of situation. It's a very it's a kind of dilemma whether you will stay with your family or you will join the SSB interview. So I want you guys to you know participate, give your response, so I can give my opinion over that, because it's a very important kind of SRT, and it's very like it's very tricky. What you have to substantiate your response by some reason why you will choose one person, because there is a two person join SSB to serve my best. Yes, serve my beat. Yes, pay homage to the diseased soul and will proceed for SSB. Yes, Divya has so give a good response. He will pay homage. Like it's a very condolence kind of word. It's a very sophisticated word. He will pay homage because it will not take that much time to the diseased soul. It's a good sentence. It's a very good sentence, and he will proceed for SSB. Yes, he will. I will attend the SSB, and after back I will calm my family members. After back, yeah, you can write like that. After returning back, I will calm my family member. Okay, I will pay homage, and I will go with this sentence that I will pay homage to the deceased soul and proceed for SSB, because you have to be very balanced in your response, कि आपको बैलेंस करके चलना है कि if you are at that time, like if you are in SSB, like आप अगर SSB में होते आपको पता चलता है कि ऐसा ऐसा हो गया, so you will continue your SSB, and ये आप you can give response like this कि I will continue my SSB, and after that I can attend the family all the cremation kind of activities, and I will attend all the activities of my family. But if you are in family at this point and sad demise is happening now, and you have to go SSB after some time, no, you are going like ऐसा नहीं कि आप रास्ते में हो, you are not in between the SSB, so you have to be balanced. Okay, so what you will do, I will pay homage to deceased one and attend the SSB. Okay, attend the SSB. Okay, I think it's a perfect response you can give. Okay, at that time, because you have to be very quick, and small sentences will be very good for that, because you have to be write very fast, and this space is also not that much over there. Okay, I think it's all clear to all of you guys. Please confirm me in a comment box that it is clear, so I can proceed for next SRT. Is it clear to all of you? Please confirm me, so I can proceed further. Is it clear to all of you guys? Please confirm me so I can proceed. Okay, I think you guys are not getting my voice exactly at the same time, so you will respond in after some time. So I have to, I think, proceed for next SRT. Arun, you are asking for SSB. So SSB is a kind of interview of 5-day process. SSB stand for Service Selection Board. Okay, when you appear for NDA examination and CDS examination and all the defense forces examination, so you will clear the exam, you have to face the SSB, you have to face the interview, SSB interview. Okay, so that is the 5-day process. First day you have to face the screening process. If you are screened in, then you will face next 4 days, and the last day is conference. Okay, at that day the result will be announced, so you can get all that kind of things. If you are aware about NDA and CDS examination, so you should know like what is SSB is. SSB stand for Service Selection Board. Okay, and officers are trained, officers are made from this journey, like they will clear NDA examination, then they will recommend for SSB, and then they join the armed forces, okay, as an officer, okay, for different branch like Army, Navy and Air Force. Okay, I think you all got my point well, and Arun is also got my point well, so I think I should proceed. He was playing outdoor and his brother got seriously injured, and it started to rain heavily. Okay, he was playing outdoor and his brother got seriously injured, and it started to rain heavily. What he will do? Like, did you guys get the question? He was playing outdoor and his brother got seriously injured, and it started rain heavily. Like, you are playing outside, and your brother is also playing with you, and he was uh, okay, he got seriously injured. Okay, so what you will do? And it is raining heavily, so what you will do? Rain is heavy outside, and your brother is like injured seriously. So what you will do? At first, I want you all guys to be quick in your response, because it's a very familiar kind of SRT, and you will get it very easily. Yes, Rahul, he will use first aid kit, and after that he will call ambulance. Yes, good response. After that he will call ambulance. It's not the end of your response, you should add some more point, like, yes, he will call, I will call, he will, like, Rahul, please write like, he will use first aid kit, you know he will give him, he will give his brother a first aid kit, first aid, he will give his brother first aid and call ambulance. Okay, and call ambulance and admit him in the hospital for proper medication. Okay, call ambulance. Okay, Diva, but because seriously his brother is seriously injured, so you have to first of all give him first aid. First aid is the first priority. First aid पहले देना है, फिर ले जाना है, because in between कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, so first aid, he will first of all give first aid. Okay, and then call the ambulance, because it is raining heavily, so ambulance may take time, so first aid can control the situation, and then let him admit in the hospital and for proper medication. Okay, so good, get well soon. Okay, so guys, this is the today discussion. I'm waiting for response from Prajwal, because he's not giving the response from last two Sarti, I think. So I'm waiting response from him. And guys, I want you all guys to be there at 8 p.m. sharp 8 p.m. We used to conduct a regular live session at 8 p.m. daily. Okay, and I want you all guys to join our Telegram channel as well, because I am going to post the link in the comment box of this video, so you can search and get the link of our Telegram channel as well as our YouTube channel, so you can join that channels, and you will get benefit lots of information, lots of PDFs and material, as well as quizzes conducted by us over there. So I want you all guys to get connected with us at different platforms, so you guys get the notification as soon as possible. That's why I am saying, like, we have to, like, I cannot afford like sharing all the links to all of you guys at your personal personal number and at your personal platform. So that's why I am saying, like, please join us at our Telegram channel, so you will easily get the notification when you need it, when the class is going on, when the class, if there is any Okay, safely got the suitable place and then go to village doctor house. Yes, Haren, you can you can write like this, but I think you got the question properly right now. So guys, please join us in number, and please share it to your friends as well as in a group where you are the member. So other of your friends and other members who is very need of this kind of guidance, they can join us very okay. They can join us very. It is going to be very helpful for them, and it's all like. It's all like a experience sharing kind of thing, so you can discuss, and as well as you can you know you can say to your friends. So please join our Telegram channel as well as our Facebook page. You can like and follow our Facebook page so you can get the notification of live classes. So we are planning also for more courses for like general studies. I'm trying to bring some current affair questions for you. So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Stay motivated, stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, thank you guys for joining our session. We will meet at 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay.